I'm here on a farm in central India, actually harvesting ginger right now. You can see there's a pretty good sized pile of it behind me. This is amazingly good quality ginger. It just came out of the ground today, and it's just, got that wonderful ginger aroma. And ginger is pretty much a pharmacopoeia of medicinal benefits all on its own. It's an excellent herb for promoting healthy digestion. It's also used to support the immune system, support comfortable movement in the joints. So at Banyan, we use ginger root in a number of different products. It's a primary ingredient in our Vata Digest product, as well as Kapha Digest, which is actually the traditional Ayurvedic formula Trikatu, which means 3 pungents. And ginger is one of those 3 pungents. And this variety of ginger that grows here in India is used medicinally, and it has quite a few amazing benefits. It's good for supporting the immune system, it supports healthy joint movement, and it's one of the best herbs for promoting healthy digestion. Well, we're removing dirt from the ginger root and also breaking off the little extra non-root pieces. Getting a little sunshine while we're at it.